First part of restoration on this Seca is just getting the battery out. There's a few things on here that are a little different than other motorcycles that I've seen. First of all, it has an electrolyte level sensor up here that you got to be sure to disconnect. The solenoid is connected directly to the battery, so you got to be careful of that. And then you just take these two leads off. You don't have to disconnect the solenoid or anything. You just got to disconnect these two leads and this electrolyte level one. And this is, I believe, to a charger, so that doesn't matter. It's just going to be off to the side. And then this battery should be ready to pull on out. Got this thing, this case is starting to swell from all the years of sitting, and just it's completely sulfated inside, and it's just a useless block, so this is going to be replaced.